What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a group rewards system as recommended by this comment right here. And of course, as always, if you guys do not want to stay and watch the video, I will leave the model for this system down in the description, but I highly recommend that you do stay and watch just so you can learn to continue your development journey. But now, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Alright, so this is actually going to be a really quick thing to do. As you can probably see by the length of this video, which I'm assuming is going to be pretty short, this is a really easy system, like I just said. So I'm going to make like a group reward door. I'll make like a door that says join this group to unlock the door. And I'll be right back once I've made that. All right, I have created this little box, and inside there's a surprise. If you want to see, you'll have to stick around to the end of the video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna call this part right here, I'm gonna call it door so we can reference it easier in the script. And then I will go inside the starter player scripts. I'm gonna make a local script. Then I'm just gonna call this group detector. Then I will get the player, so local players equal to game.players.local player. Then I will get the door, so local door is equal to workspace, come on, wait for child, door. And what I will do, you can say the local group ID is equal to, you can paste your group ID inside this little variable right here. I'm gonna do this one. This is my current group, ROBLOX Studios. If you guys want to join, it's gonna be in the description. A little bit of a shameless plug, I know, but I appreciate it if you did it. And now what we'll do is we can check if player : is in group async. Then we can just say the group ID. Then we can say door.canCollide is equal to false, and this will just make us so we're able to walk through this door. Or you could destroy it, or also set the transparency to 1 or whatever. But this, if I join this game, this will work and it will let us walk through this door. So if I go ahead and test, we can see that since I am a part of the group, I am now able to walk through this door. And since you guys have made it to the end of this video, you guys get to see the reward, which is the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow this channel so I can make more tutorials like this to help the Roblox development community. But yeah, that is gonna do it for this tutorial. Like I said earlier on, it's really short because this is a pretty simple system. But yeah, once again, this is going to be in the description if you guys want to get this model. Obviously, you guys will be able to customize this. It's all gonna be customizable for you. But yeah, thank you once again for making it to the end of this video. If there are any other tutorials you guys would like to see, please let me know in the comments and I will do my best to make it. But yeah, that is gonna do it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.